Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, make a ponytail and then divide your hairs into two sections. Roll it nicely and then make a bun out of it as shown in the video. Fix it properly and it's all done. For this one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and then divide the hairs into two sections. Now take each section and then pull it inside out as shown in the video. Now once again, pull it inside out from the top. It will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs and then make it into the bun and it's all done. For this one, take the section of your hair and then make the braids out of it by taking the smaller section from the remaining hairs. It will look like this. Now keep making it very nicely and gently by taking the smaller section and then wrap it around. It's done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then make the half bun out of it as shown in the video and then fix it properly. Now fix it with the help of the hairpin and it's all done. For this one, take the section of your hair and then tie it nicely and pull it inside out. Now from the remaining hairs, take the smaller section, pull it inside out and then tie it. Now repeat the whole process until it will start looking like this. Then keep doing it very nicely and take the remaining hairs and make it into a bun, fix it and it's all done. For the next one, tie your hairs nicely and then take the bun maker. Now take the hairs and tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then pull it inside out. Now repeat the process with the remaining hairs too. It will look like this. Now take it all together and then tie it nicely and then fix it properly with the help of the hairpin. Now take the remaining hairs and then cover it and it's all done. For the next one, tie your hairs into this section and then make the braids out of it and then pull it inside out. Now repeat the process one more time. It will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs, make the braids out of it and then start making a bun and fix it. It's all done. For this one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out. Now make the braids out of it as shown in the video and tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. It will look like this. Now pull it inside out halfly and then take the remaining hairs and take the smaller sections out of it and then cross it as shown and it's all done. Thanks for watching.